Using a 10mm socket, let's remove the 2 bolts holding the tail light. Grab the tail light and pull it straight back. If you have a trim tool, go ahead and slide that in there. What you're using the trim tool for is to pull these little studs out of the rubber bushings in the bedside. Go ahead and twist your bulbs counterclockwise. Install your bulbs. Line up the studs on the rubber bushings here. Push the taillight back. Install your 2 10mm bolts here. Go ahead and get those started. Then we'll snug them down.